So let's straight away dive in the video. You need to go and open settings, and here go on privacy and security. Here find microphone, and here see if this option is turned on. If it's off, then turn it on. And you need to find the application in which the mic is not working, and if that thing is turned off, for example WhatsApp, you need to turn this on as well. Okay, so if this does not fix your issue, what you need to do, you need to go on control panel. Here you need to find sound, click on it, and here go on the mic you are using. For example, I am using the headphone mic. Click on in the right click on it, go to properties, and here go to levels. You need to see if this option is even turned on. If it should not be 0, it should be what you have set it. And also go on this option, go on properties, also go on levels, and see the option here is set on that. And also you need to go on levels, then advanced, then restore to default, also spatial sound also restore to default. And if the issue is software and setting related, so this will fix it. If the issue is hardware related, then you need to get it checked physically. Thanks, have a nice day.